Hi, I'm Ramakrishna Reddy, and in today's video, we are going to see what is passion. I am sure you heard about this term, or you have used this term, or you've been using this term quite regularly. But here's the thing, the definition that you've been giving or you've been believing could be improved if you know how to go about passion. So, what is the general definition of passion, or how do we see it? We see it as something you love what you do. Okay, so how do you find what you love? That's a big question. Or the other questions is, if it's just loving what you do, then why don't you just say love what you do? Why are you using this word passion? Right? Have you seen this term used in other contexts like Passion of the Christ? Or when somebody is going through even a rough, painful phase, they still say that they use the word passion, because there is truth to those aspects of usage as well. Passion is really something you undergo it, right? You endure it, even though it's painful, right? Somebody getting up at 5 a.m. and doing like an hour of run. Passion is something that will have pain, but you still do it anyway. And that's why we use this term. And though those definitions are helpful, I'm going to share a perspective which I learned from the book Finding Your Element by Sir Ken Robinson. And I highly recommend that book, and I highly recommend his TED Talk, Do Schools Kill Creativity? Again, a short story. I knew about Ken Robinson through that talk, Do Schools Kill Creativity? I think it was in 2006 probably. And it inspired me a lot. And a lot of people got inspired, and that's why it is still the #1 most viewed TED Talk. Sometimes I wonder whether TED put him on the map or he put TED on the map. Anyway, if you don't know what TED is, it's TED.com. It's a very nice place to watch beautiful ideas and speeches being delivered, and it's available for free. So go check it out if you want to. And do check out his talk, Do Schools Kill Creativity? It is an amazing talk. It's a blueprint for how a talk should be entertaining and engaging and still move the audience to do something to inspire them, right? So coming back to our topic, he wrote a book, Finding Your Element, and he talks about passion, and he talks about finding your element. And elements are like building blocks for passion, because once you find your element, only then you can say that you are passionate about something. So how do you do that? He advises that you try different activities and see what fires your imagination, what brings an energy into you, what stokes our energy. When you try different things, let's say you're playing football, or you're playing badminton, or you're doing programming, or you're running, whatever that activity you're doing, if it fires your imagination and it stokes your energy, something that's a spark, then probably you're starting to find your element. And again, you do this for activities that would help you financially, that's a skill that people will start paying you money for, and you can convert it into a career, right? Or it could be something that would help you with your health goals, with your relationship goals, right? So money is not the only goal. You need to take care of your health and relationships as well. So any activity that is around health, money, or relationship is worth doing it. And that's when you will realize the power of your energy. And that's what Ken Robinson defines, that passion is the power of your positive energy. And I love the definition, and I would highly encourage you to try it. And I hope this fires your imagination and helps you do something in your day-to-day life. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love your attention, and thanks for being awesome. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.